What's going on, guys? This is Justin, and today we got something new in the mail. We got the Beats by Kim. This is something that I guess Kim Kardashian paired with Beats on. I don't even want to know how much that deal was, but that's not the point of today's video. We're going to be unboxing these suckers real quick. I thought I'd do it standing and kind of give you guys something unique to look at. So we're going to jump right in. I got the moon colored, and this is a really small box. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but the Powerbeats Pro come in a huge box. I think all of this is going to be very similar to the AirPod size. So we got the Beats by Kim. Let's get started, guys. So it looks like on the bottom we got a little tab. We're gonna rip that off. I don't know if you guys like this or not, but ooh, that was kind of satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. So then we got the other side right here. So we got both sides. We're gonna rip that off in case you wanted to see that. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so the bottom pops off here. Beats by Kim. We're gonna do a little moment here. Looks like we got, so this is kind of a beige skin color. I'll put it next to my arm. You guys can see that the color there is pretty nice. I would say that, to be transparent with you guys, this is definitely more on the feminine side of things. There is a black version, so if you are a man or a woman who wants these headphones, there's black, white, there's like 6 options, so I'll put that in the description. But what we're also gonna do is we're gonna do a little reveal here. Oh. Do that again, make it a little bit cooler. And we're gonna just make it happen. So there we go, guys, and that is what the headphones look like in their pride and glory right there. So looks like a makeup case. If I was anybody, I would say that this looks a lot like a makeup case. This is extremely small. First impressions are box is small, the box that came in is small, and this is tiny. To give you guys a really good impression, we're gonna do a AA battery next to this. I know that's kind of not a great impression, but it's a really small case. This is almost the same size as AirPods, so I would definitely say that this is a winner for somebody who wants something small. We're gonna do a little reveal of the actual headphones. 1, 2, 3. Oh, just like that. You guys are actually the first to see it. So, ooh, that looks good. I didn't even see it. You guys saw it first. So we got a little headphone reveal in there, and that looks great. The headphones are really small themselves. We're gonna just take them out real quick. And there we go, guys. So that is gonna be an unboxing of the Beats by Kim. I don't think I said that right, but you guys know what I mean. The new Beats Pro, that's what they're called, Beats Pros. Beats Fit Pro. So this is the Beats Fit Pro in moon color. This is what they look like, guys, and this is what the case looks like. They have a snappy motion, and that is the Beats Fit Pro by Kim. All right, guys, so underneath here, this box actually comes out, and then underneath this little part, this kind of just makes it look good. We actually have some cabling under here. Don't do that. So it looks like we got a USB Type-C and then the extra ear tips. If you guys are somebody who struggles with having small ears, big ears, and ear tips actually make it more comfortable, or they don't stay in your ear enough, the ear tips are actually going to be the best way for you to have them stay in your ear and make the workouts more effective, so you're not fixing your earbuds. The USB Type-C cable is for fast charging. This is new and improved, and this is going to work with all of your chargers, so you'll be all set there. So guys, that's just what the cabling is on the box, and that's what's inside. And then the USB Type-C cable, you guys know what that looks like. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna be doing a review of these guys in about a couple days here to give you guys a full understanding of how these sound, what they really operate like, and if you guys should buy them. These do have noise cancellation and transparency mode. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but Beats actually bought Apple. Apple bought Beats for like $3 billion a couple years ago. So now everything that Beats buys is technically by Apple, but it's a different sector of Apple. So these do have the noise cancellation and transparency mode, and hopefully really good sound, but they are very similar in size to the AirPods. So I'm really looking forward to testing these suckers out. We'll get back to you guys shortly and see you next time. This is Justin with The Digital Life.